Welcome to the Neon Armory. Today, we count down the top 10 pistols of all time. Number 10, May, the Makarov PM. Number 9, Pines, the H&K USP. Number 8, Mac-10, FN57N. Number 7, Mac-May, the CZ75. Number 6, Foley, the Walther P38. Number 5, Weekine, the Colt 1911.
Number 4, Tunicked, Sig Sauer P226.
Number 3, One Tat, Beretta 92.
Number 2, Pang, Browning High Power. Number 1, Glock 17, the most influential pistol of the modern era.